Good morning, students. I am Divakar Pandey from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada, and welcome back to you in your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you my second video lecture of lesson 2, and the topic is our blue planet. This video is for class 3. As in my previous video, I have already discussed you about our earth, atmosphere, shape of the earth, and now in this video we will discuss about globes and maps, compass, continents, oceans, and other water bodies. So now let us start the chapter. First of all, let us talk about globes and maps. Yes, as we know that the earth is very big in size. It means the earth, which is our planet, is a big planet, and to study the different parts of the earth is not so easy. So for this purpose we make a model of the earth, and this model of the earth is called the globe. It means we can say a globe is a small model of the earth that gives us an accurate idea about the earth's surface. Now we come to know what is the importance of a globe. From a globe we know where the land masses, it means continent, on the earth are situated, located. It means through a globe we can see continents. But do you know, a globe cannot show all the places on about the earth. So to see details of all the places, huge globes would be required. So this was globe, and through a globe we can see about continents, oceans on the earth. Now we come to know about map. What is a map? A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it. It means what is this type of drawing? Yes, the drawing of the earth or a part of it is called a map on a flat surface. As I have discussed you about map, but can you tell me what is atlas? Yes, a book of maps is called an atlas. It means an atlas is a book which contains different kind of maps. You can see the map of the world, the given picture in your book. The oceans are blue and the continents are shown in different colors. Such large maps which are hung on the wall are called wall maps. It means maps are also different types, as I have discussed you about wall maps. Now, after discussing about globe and map, let us come to know about compass. What is a compass? Compass is an instrument that tells us about the directions. It means there are four directions: north, south, east, and west. We use these directions to locate places on the map, but compass is very necessary because it is an instrument that is used to find directions. A compass has a needle that always points towards the north direction, and through this north direction we can familiar with other directions also. Can you tell me where is the word given, from where the word is has been given? News? Yes, News, it means N for north, S for south, E for east, and W for west. When we collect the first letter of these words, it gives us a short form of word, and that is called news. So now we come to know about continents. What is or what are continents? The surface of the earth that is covered with large land masses and water bodies are called continents. It means continents are large land masses and water bodies on the earth's surface through which our earth is covered. Can you tell me how many continents are there? Yes, there are 7 continents. These are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Now, after knowing about continents, we come to know about oceans. Oceans. The continents are surrounded by huge water bodies of salty water, and this is called oceans. Can you tell me the name of important oceans? Yes, there are 5 oceans. These are Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern, that is also known as Antarctic. So Southern Ocean, it means Antarctic Ocean, and Arctic Oceans. These are 5 important oceans. Now we come to know about other water bodies.